I have no idea what is going on, but there's like a loud flute sound, loud sound coming from the sky, or some kind of a sound. I don't know if you can hear that. Wow. Wow, what is that? This has been going on for like an hour now. I don't know what it is. Been hearing it inside the house. The window's closed. Wow. That is intense. Yeah, no, it sounds like one of those old trumpets from the biblical times, the shofar. That's wild. It's like 3 hours now. It's just been going on, over 3 hours, on and off.